In this guide, I'll show you how to use the Cloudflare DNS on your Wi-Fi connection on your Nintendo Switch 2. So from the home screen, select System Settings in the bottom right. Then we're going to scroll down to Internet and scroll over, and we're going to go to Internet Settings. Now, after a couple seconds, you should see your Wi-Fi network pop up. So what we're going to do is select our Wi-Fi network, and then go to Change Settings. Now you want to scroll down on this page until you see DNS Settings, and by default it will be set to automatic, so we're going to change it to manual. And then under the primary DNS for IPv4, you want to erase all the numbers in here, and we're going to type in 1.1.1.1 and then press OK. And under the secondary DNS for IPv4, erase everything and type in 1.0.0.1. Then press OK and select Save on the right side. And now you just want to test out your new internet settings to see if there's any improvement in your connection speed, as well as reducing latency and packet loss. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.